Hey guys, what do you think about instant coffee? Is it as bad as we think it is? Let's find out. So instant coffee has gotten a bad rap over the years, but what we've really found lately is that there are a lot more options on the market now. The quality has drastically improved, the flavor's improved, and there's quite a few brands that are coming out that are getting popular, in addition to coffee alternatives. The advantage of instant coffee is that it's really easy, it's convenient, it's soluble coffee, which compared to things like a pod style or capsule style coffee machine, those create a lot of waste, there's a lot of cleanup involved, and you're kind of locked into one brand, or maybe two. So instant coffee kind of gives you some options and some convenience.
What if you could get a single hot cup of coffee with just a single push of a button? Imagine it's early and you're late for work. Come to this coffee machine. It's pre-filled with your water and your coffee grounds, and all you have to do is push a single button. Not only is it faster and has less waste and easier cleanup, but you can make a single serving. And because it's instant coffee, all of the coffee powder gets absorbed into the water and you're not left with coffee grounds that you have to clean up later.
We really want to hear from the instant coffee drinkers out there. What's your process? What do you think about this idea? And we also want to hear from the traditional drip coffee drinkers. What are your pain points? Do you not like the cleanup? And do you have any concerns with instant coffee and the taste of it? Right now we're just exploring ideas, and we have this good working prototype that's working well for us. But we just wanted to get your comments and see what you think about this whole idea. Is it a good idea? Should we keep thinking? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time. Thanks for watching.